What is water? A mini presentation for kids. Shalom, children. Are you ready to learn? Get your pencil and paper and let's learn about water. We learn about the meaning of water and what water is used for. Let's go. Molecules. Water is made of oxygen and hydrogen. There is no one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atom in a molecule of water. Molecule. Solid, liquid, and gas. Solid water is ice. Gaseous water is water vapor, which is in the air around us. Water is present as solid, liquid, and gas on Earth. The Earth. Water covers 70% of the surface of the Earth. This includes oceans, rivers, lakes, and glaciers. The Earth. Living things. Water is vital to plant and animal life. Without water, life could not exist. Water. Without water, life could not exist. Interesting. Human body. 60% of the human body is water. We need water to dissolve nutrients in our blood, protect important structures, and maintain body temperature. Wow! Interesting. Plants. Plants photosynthesize in sunlight to make the energy they need to live and grow. Plants take in water during this process. Plants. Amazing. Special features. At low temperatures, ice can float on water. Some very light insects can walk on water. This is because water has a high surface tension. Very interesting. Key properties. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 Celsius. Very, very interesting. Kiddos, I hope you are learning one or two things from what I've been teaching and talking about. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.